Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a free video editor through which you can do the common video editings like adding intros, outros, adding music, and cutting the video, cutting a part on a video. You can do a lot of things in one free software. So open your Microsoft Store, and here we will type Clipchamp. And once you will search it, it has been acquired by Microsoft now. So it's now Microsoft Clipchamp. You can see the ratings are 4.7 and 4,000 ratings have been given. You need to click on Get, and then we need to open it. Once you do that, at the left-hand side, we need to import the media. So I'll click on Import and go to the location where you have the video, select it, and import it. Once you do that, once you find it there at the left-hand side, you need to drag it and drop to your here. And then you can simply, if you want to add any text, you can add it at the top or bottom. And if you want the intro content library, if you're looking for any like subscribe thing at the end or at the start of the video, you can see this is a 9-second video. I'll simply select it and I'll put it right here. So if I'll play from here, I can add it. And you can also record, you can add the text, you can do the transitions. And there are a lot of things you can do in this, and you just need to play with it. You just need to spend some time. It is very, very user-friendly. And here you can add the captions, you can do the effects. You can adjust the color. You can change the video speed. If you want slower, you want to change the pace of the video, you can do that. All right. And once you're done with the editing, you can simply click on Export. And you can do that till high quality 1080, which is great. And for 4K video, it seems like it's premium. So we need to take the subscription. And if you want to just go with the free one, you can go with 1080 HD, the high quality. You can export it. So you can also play with this software. Let me know in the comment section, do you like this software or not? Especially when it's free. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care. You can also split from here. I wanted to, people who are looking to split or cut the video, you can do it from here like this. And then again, you can split like this. So here you can remove that part by just simply doing the right click and click on delete and it like this. So you can do that as well. So that's a bonus tip. And each way, after spending 2 to 5 minutes or maximum half an hour, you will get to know how to, play with this software. Basic things you already know. You can add the audio at the bottom. You will get the audio from here, or you can simply search it. Whatever the search, like happy, sad, we can add the music. We can add the custom music as well. From here, you can just need to click on the plus sign and you can add it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.